This bag is made of waterproof recycled nylon and is very lightweight. It has 3 separate compartments, one in the front, and the main compartment has a two-way zipper, an open mesh pocket inside, with a plastic key clip. On the back, it has what they call a security pocket because it's hidden from the front view, and it also has ventilating mesh material. The adjustable strap has a loop to keep it tidy, preventing it from just dangling. Another thing I like about this fanny pack is that it's more of a rectangular shape instead of the upside down trapezoid style. When you need to pack this up in your luggage or in your backpack and you don't have much space, all you have to do is unzip the back pocket and then turn it inside out. I've been using this bag since January and love it so much that I'm thinking about getting the black one too. It packs itself nice and neat.